Hello, good evening, everyone. Hello, Jordan. Okay, let me see. Okay, hello, Su King. Okay, Carex. Okay, 之前买的高位. Okay, LB Loom. 想进场三 GHL System. Okay, 卓先生. Shang SKB Shutter. Masses Focus Point. Theta. SY Lim, okay, Return Teo Sing. Hello, Anthony. How are you? SMRT, PPHB, Eon Credit, SOP. Hello, Patrick. How are you? Hello, Ong Q Te, right? Okay, comment on AWS and CTTAS, Patrick. Okay, KLSE breakout due to Hari Raya team. Yeah, hard to say lah. Okay, because tomorrow is the last trading days of the week. Okay, for me Friday is meaningless lah. Okay, most of you maybe will take a long weekend leave already, right? So for me, Friday would be more to low liquidity. So tomorrow could be a last day for the week, and then I think as a traders, okay, especially those short-term trader, they don't want to carry overnight risk. Okay, because if you hold you need to tahan until Friday only can sell. Okay, if you go holiday, then you need to wait until next Monday. You only can sell your stocks, right? So I think those short-term traders may take the opportunity to take profit lah. Maybe today they already took some, and tomorrow maybe they will take another half. So I think the buying sentiment is not that great lah. Okay, in my opinion. Hello Wong, okay, EMCC, hello Jordan, hello Jimmy, okay, Leong FB, Roslan, MSM, Pharma, MYEG, okay, Review, MSC, Iconic, okay, Ekatan, MSC, P Metal, okay, Review HSI, okay, Patrick Ong, okay, and Renewable Revenue, May Eng, okay, Naim, bought at 82, okay, Dayang from Ho Wee Sing, right? Okay, P Metal, PB Tech, DMB Tech, okay, Emulus, and Alice Tan, okay, QES, okay, no problem. Okay, please help me to click like and also share this video, and please be informed that this Wednesday no live session, okay, due to the Hari Raya lah. Okay, so our content, okay, our agenda for today, okay, let's warm up with the market outlook, okay, which include the US market, oil, gold, cryptocurrency, and FBMK LCI. Only follow with the stocks Q&A. Let me know the stocks you want me to review and the intention, whether you already EP or you are looking for the potential support, okay, or resistance. Okay, and disclaimer, all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation or are just for education purposes. Okay, RGB trading stop. Okay, no problem. Okay, so yeah, please help me to share this video lah. Okay, share to your social media or your group chat. Okay, family group chat also no problem. Okay, so as long as got viewers joining, okay, more viewers joining so that we can continue this program lah. Okay, so we need more viewers. Okay, need your support. Okay, so yeah, let's warm up with the Dow Jones first. Okay, so far, okay, if you can see, since the last rally, okay, from since last year October until now, Dow Jones last week faced a stronger bearish price action. Okay, this is a weekly chart lah. So for the bear to continue, okay, if they break below 38.5K, okay, I think we may see more bear. Okay, last week sorry, I used wrong chart. Okay, use this one easier to explain. Okay, 38.6K. Okay, if Dow Jones unable to stay above 38.6K, we may see more bear on the Dow Jones. Okay, on the other hand, okay, S&P closing for me is a neutral lah. Okay, not that bearish yet, not so bullish. Okay, so take note on the important level 5180. Okay, if this level unable to hold, we are seeing more bear on the S&P. Nasdaq as well. Take note on the 17.8K. Okay, if this level unable to hold, I think we may see some correction lah. Okay, if this level able to hold, maybe they will continue sideways and maybe will create another new high. Okay, and so for US market side, I think they are not that strong, okay, but yet to show the bearishness yet lah. Okay, so how about the oil price? Okay, oil price so far still very bullish looking, especially last week they broke above 83, $84. So in my opinion, as long as the price, okay, WTI stay above $83, we are seeing more upside on the oil price. They may visit 88 or even higher. Okay, for the gold price, so far so bullish, and they already hit one of the target 2350, which I use a Fibonacci to do a projection. Okay, if this level unable to break, they might come back to revisit 2280 or 2240. Okay, in my opinion, gold is super bullish, and maybe they also come with the overbought lah. Okay, they may have some retracement soon. Okay, but if the retracement is a small retracement, still an opportunity to buy. Okay, but for me, it's yeah, too bullish already. Need some correction lah. Okay, and how about the cryptocurrency? Okay, we go for the Bitcoin. Okay, so far Bitcoin we can see weekly point of view. They already retest the support 65K. Okay, which was the 2021 all-time high. Okay, so resistance turn support. So far the support is still supported very well. Okay, seems like the bull may continue to rally out further. Okay, for the Bitcoin. Okay, Ethereum just go sideways lah. Okay, in my opinion, they has been in this range 3004 to 3006 or 3007 for the past 4 weeks. Okay, so maybe they also wait for the Bitcoin lah. Okay, if Bitcoin able to go up further, then Ethereum may follow. Okay, so their next resistance is somewhere around 3980 and 4200. And how about our FBMK LCI? Okay, weekly point of view. Okay, if we base on the weekly chart, we can see actually since February until now, our KLCI is just trading within the zone. Okay, it's within 1525 to 1560. Okay, so currently they are already touch the resistance 1560. Okay, so whether can go through or not, we need to see tomorrow lah. Okay, for me, this could be a hit resistance, sell down, hit resistance, sell down. This time we don't know lah. Okay, we see whether they want to break out or not lah. So maybe next Monday we know already lah. Okay, so if tomorrow able to close above 1560 and Friday they need to support well lah. Okay, if Friday they are able to support well, maybe next week got chance to go up further. But if tomorrow and Friday they got a rejection here, then maybe may see KLCI continue sideways within the zone until really break out either way. Okay, so far I see the momentum, to be honest, is not bad. Okay, just I need a confirmation for breakout. But we have too many holidays, so the rhythm a bit potong stimpy lah. Okay, we also have 2 days holidays, and Friday for me no meaning. So maybe for the real movement is next week already. Okay, let's go for our stocks Q&A. So before we started, please help us to click like and also share this video lah. Okay, so we can get more viewers to join in our live session. Okay, so first one, okay, from Soking. This is from YouTube, right? Okay, Carex, okay, previously bought at a high price. So see how it's going. Okay, so far they are still good. Okay, they broke above February, last year February resistance, which is 840. So they also today break above February, this year February resistance 880. Today closing 885. Okay, the only little concern is the closing a bit profit taking. Okay, so we can see today 945. Okay, morning 945 already got some profit taking activities at here. You can see got high volumes. So means morning they push up, then 945 like that, they already took some profit and the volume is pretty big. So take note on this resistance, okay, 905 and 90 cents. Okay, this is your resistance now. Okay, if they can go through, okay, next level, okay, sorry, Next level is the 2020 resistance, okay, which is fall at somewhere around 940. Okay, if they are unable to go through, then you take note on your support, which is 870 lah. Okay, if the closing price below 870, this means today breakout is a false breakout. Market may come back down to retest a 840 level. Okay, so I'm not sure where is your entry, but yeah, for me, if you still want to fight on, you take note on 870. Okay, stay above, still got chance. Tapi if they break below, maybe they will come back down lower lah to test the support, maybe 840 or the 2050 MA level, which is somewhere around 820. Okay, before going up further. Okay, overall the trend is still good. Okay, just that your entry a bit high. Okay, so you can consider maybe release. Okay, reduce some losses or reduce some position. Wait for the market to float. Okay, go down, then you only re-enter, so you can get a better average price. Okay, so depends on your size also lah. Okay, if small size, then you can consider to cabut dulu, later re-enter also can lah. But the trend is still good. Okay, for me it's still okay. Okay, LBA, let me see. Okay, want to enter. Okay, LBA breakout on end of March. Then they rally up all the way. Okay, until last Thursday also got a high volume pump up. So, okay, what I worry about LBA is they used to pump this level, dumb down, this level, dumb down. So at the moment they're at this level lah. Okay, I don't know whether history want to repeat or not. Okay, so this is one thing you need to take note. Okay, today also got some, for me it's like a bit struggle here. Okay, so if you're still interested, okay, take note on 490 lah. Okay, so long the closing price still above 490, I think they still got chance lah. Tapi if the closing price below 490, then maybe they will go back down to retest 460 lah. Okay, for me, aluminium, right? Okay, metal related they macam shock only come for a few days, then they whack down again sideways for a couple of days. So I a little bit doubt on their movement, to be honest. I not really like to touch metal related one. Okay, tapi if you still interested, yeah, take note on 490 lah, okay? Above 490, I think is still fightable. Okay, but if they are able to go up, next resistance is about 530 lah, 530, 540 level. Okay, how about the Sun Surya? 485 EP. Okay, I think Sun Surya is still alright. Okay, Sun Surya has a high volume on 21st of March. Then 26, 27, 29 also got volumes. Then market sideways. So far today, somehow got volumes come in. So I think it's still alright. Okay, for Sun Surya, they need to break through this level. 535. Okay, once they can clear 535, I think got chance to visit here 575. Okay, overall the structure momentum, I think okay. This one's still alright. Okay, this one's still okay. How about GHL? Okay, GHL has been downtrend for many years already, if not mistaken, right? Since 2021, okay, downtrend until today. Okay. So the only interesting part is the volumes. Okay, we can see they started to build up volumes, okay, since February until now. Okay, you can see the average volume improve, okay, compared to previous months. Okay, you can say since 2024, the volume started to pick up. Okay, just that the price movement yet to do anything. Okay, so by zooming out, you can see this year the volume, yeah, they do improve. Okay, just that they yet to make a big movement. So yeah, if you think this is a potential bottoming, I think I can agree with that. Okay, and also MACD looks not too bad. Okay, at least here got a little bit low getting higher. Okay, so volume wise, yeah, especially end of March until now, average volume looks not bad. Okay, so maybe we give them some last defense. Okay, about 60 cents. Okay, as long as discounters, the closing price above 60 cents, I think okay. Maybe got chance to do some bounce up. Okay, for resistance to break, okay, due to here 2022 support, turn resistant, okay, here also tested, which is 670. Okay, this is a level they need to clear. Okay, once they can clear, maybe we can see lah. If lucky, 200 MA 735. Okay, so if they are unable to clear 670, they might continue sideways like this lah. Okay, if they can clear, then we can see 200 MAs. So I think by the time maybe the 200 MA should be come down already lah. Maybe 720 like that lah. Okay, so bottom fishing possible. Okay, possible. So both Sansuria and GHL I think okay, not too bad. But for LBA Loom, I not so confident lah. Okay. Okay, how about Shang? Shang from Zhuo Shenzhen. Okay, rebounding. Okay, not bad. Okay, so today they do have an open gap up, high volume push up, but currently, okay, they already at the resistance, okay, somewhere around 225, also nearby the 200 MAs. So let me see. MACD is still all right. Okay, you also can argue this is a potential double bottom, not so light. Okay, but at least the low is getting higher. Okay, tapi I think they are still struggle a bit lah. Okay, struggle a bit. Okay, for potential bottoming chances is there lah. Okay, so in order for them to have further upside, they need to clear here 225, 230. Okay, once they can clear here, maybe you can see until 248, 250. Okay, tapi they are still at the bottom lah. So the chances for them to break out, I think is there. Okay. So yeah, with today's volume, I think it's still okay lah, still watchable lah. Okay, so how about the SKB? SKB shots. Okay, so far so good. Today are the volumes. Okay, even though you can see the MACD is sloping up. Okay, and the price is above 20, 50, 100 MAs. And also, they have been in the downtrend, right, previously. So finally, they break above the resistance. Okay, market gets supported by the 20, 50, 100 MAs. Okay, today got volume push out. So I think the overall looks okay. So let me put a line.Maybe we need to take note on here, 625. So if we zoom in, we can see they have been resisted by here, 625, 630. Okay, since February until now. Okay, so another small resistance to take note is here lah, 670 lah. Okay, January resistance. So as long as the price, okay, maybe I put here lah, 620. Okay, stay above 620, or you can say 60 cents lah. Okay, I think they are still good. Okay, overall structure, yeah, I think still good for this one. How about the Masses? Okay, Masses recently rebound from 338. Okay, I'm not sure why I draw here lah, tapi they memang rebound from here. So Friday, they close above 20 MA, okay, which is 350. Okay, MACD started the crossover, so at least the rebound is still ongoing. Okay, as long as the price is above 350, I think it's still all right. Take note on their next resistance, 366. And I think if they can rebound up maybe to 200 MAs only, 383. Okay, how about focus point? Okay, focus point, let me see. 1, 2, today at the volume rebound. Okay, not that strong. Okay, one thing to take note on this focus point is they already broke below 200 MAs last year, September, right? So yeah, these two level more important. The rest already no need already. Okay, so take note what happened these few months. Okay, ever since September. So every rebound, you can see they are unable to go through the 200 MAs. Okay, since September. Okay, this is a how to say SEP. Okay, September 23. Okay, so tested here also, here also. So this time, we don't know lah, can go through or not. Okay, even can maybe overshoot like that then gonna wash down again. So take note, this is a resistance, and also you can see they already tested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 times already, still unable to go through. Okay, previously also macam want to make a comeback tapi also by end of day kena rejected down. So take note on their hard resistance Okay, 200 MA is a 750. Okay, if lucky they can overshoot. Okay, overshoot maybe 785 low. Okay, so for me just a rebound trade. Okay, in my opinion, now it's still rebound trade. Okay, how about the Theta? Okay, this one is still okay. As you can see, they do have a flat or pennant pattern now. Okay, and last Wednesday break above 200 MAs, break above 120. So far, the price is still above 20 MA. So I think they are still pretty strong. Okay, as long as they are above 126, I think they do have potential to move out further. Okay, take note on the next resistance. Okay, we refer back to the 2021 resistance. Okay, so their immediate resistance is a 141. 141, if they can go through 160 and 175. Okay, ultimately 215 lah. Tapi this one you can see they used to have a pump and dump before. Okay, so here also need to jaga lah. If your entry price is low, then you can fight with them lah. If you just plan to go in, you need to take a lot of risk. Okay, how about return from SY Lim? Okay, return is still sideways. Okay, so far they yet to break below 955 lah. Okay, they yet to break below 955, so we cannot say they are not good. Okay, but what I think is the chances of for them to break down below 955 is there. Okay, just that yet to happen only. Okay, so even they can bounce out, you turn out your resistance 1 ringgit and 102. Okay, in my opinion, they are not so strong, tapi they yet to break below 955. Okay, how about Teo Sing? Okay, Teo Sing so far neutral in my opinion. Okay, this is a yeah, so far they already rally up so much. You can see they rally up since last year March. Rally up all the way until this year February. So already rally up like about 1 year already. So at the moment, I think they might need some rest. Okay, probably they will go sideways dulu. So I am seeing they are going this way lah. Okay, maybe within 179 to 2 ringgit. Okay, so what I see is tentatively they might go sideways. Okay, so long price is above 179, they are still good. Tapi if they go below, memang they might have a stronger correction to maybe 160 level. Okay, so they already rally up so much. I think they need some time lah. Okay, need to have some rest. Okay, how about the SMRT? SMRT. Still not that strong lah. Okay, last week, okay, previous week already break below 200 MAs. Even though they have a bounce up, you can see they are still unable to go through the 200 MAs, which is about 870, 860. Okay, still unable to go through. So in my opinion, SMRT is not that strong. Okay, take note on the resistance 860, 870, and you can see the trend. Okay, recent trend. They are like keep on going down. Okay, so if they are still unable to close above 860, we may see more downside lah. Okay, probably to 750 level. Okay, how about support resistance for the PPHB? Okay, PPHB at the resistance 840 take note, this is a resistance back in February 2023. Okay, market hit this level, then go all the way down to 60 cents. So this is a very strong resistance. Okay, it's 840. And not only last year, okay, if we go back to 2022, you can see what happened back in 2022. Sorry, 2020. Okay, they also hit somewhere around 830, 840. Okay, then they sell down already. Here also 2021 also, right? Okay, not only 2020. If you back to the 2020 January, okay, the most they can go is about 9920 level lah. Okay, 920, 980 level. So I think they are approaching a very strong resistance zone. Okay, so take note on this level 840 Okay, 875. 950 for you lah. Okay. Okay. Here is what January 2022 910. Actually it's a 910. Sorry, 910 850. Okay. So they are already approaching a strong resistance zone. Okay. Take note. Okay, for the support is about 790 lah, 790. Okay, how about the Eon Credit looking for EP? Let me see. Recently macam okay. They memang have a movement tapi at the moment not so suitable to do EP lah, as the price already quite far from the 20 MA. At the moment 20 MA is about 633 lah and 625. So not so suitable to EP tapi the overall trend is improving, and I think Eon Credit they do have potential for actually they already do a turnaround. Okay, they already have a reversal trend from a downtrend sideways. Now is a uptrend. Okay, ever since they break above 6 ringgit, they already turn into uptrend already. So you need to wait for the next retracement now. Okay, just like here, they break out, rally, retrace. Okay, tested 20 and 50 MA, then bounce up. So at the moment they already rally up, right? So wait for them to come back down to retest. So I guess by the time should be somewhere around 625 to 640. Okay, wait for them to retest. Okay, SOP. Let me see. Got discounters. Already. Okay, not familiar. Tapi I reviewed before. Okay, SOP looks okay. They have been sideways for a couple of years, since 2022 until recently. Okay, 2024 lah. So been sideways for about 2 years. Okay, recently break above 270, retest 270, and break above 3 ringgit. So recently got retest 305 lah, not 3 ringgit. Okay, so I would say they might just go sideways for the time being. So MACD cross down, yeah, I think they do have potential go sideways. At the moment, they are in between, okay, support and resistance. So support is 3 ringgit, resistance 325. So they are in the middle. Okay, so if can now, if can, I think 3 ringgit is quite attractive. But if you cannot wait, yeah, nearby the price I think should be okay. So long above 3 ringgit, I think it's still fine. Okay, take note on 328 due to this is their support turn resistance 328. Okay, overall this one I think is still okay. Okay, they not really say they are overbought. Okay, at least they are at a reasonable level lah. Okay, just if you are more good, you want a better price, then you wait lower long. Okay, 305 or 3 ringgit level. Okay, if you cannot wait, this level can see lah. Maybe 308 like that, or 310 also can. Okay, so next one, AWS. Sorry, not AWC, AWS. Hey, ada. I assume it's a AWC. Okay, never mind. We skip first. We go for the NCT. Oh, super bullish. This one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, yet to have any retracement, tapi they hit. Okay, they already hit the 2021 resistance, which is 580. Okay, today closing price 585. Okay, if I think it's super bullish. You can see since when 20th of March until now they almost every day close high almost every day go up yet to have any retracement. So their important level is still around 535. Okay, if you don't want to lose too much profit, then you take note on 560. Okay, trading stop. So long the price above 560, they are still okay. But for me, currently at the very nice resistance level. Okay, if you want to round up, is 60 cents already. 60 cents will be your next resistance. And ultimately, okay, I'm not sure whether they can achieve this level or not. Ultimately, they are at the 680, which is a 2021 resistance. Okay, so far I yet to see any retracement. So yeah, careful sikit. Tapi if you're already in, then congratulations. Okay, how about TAS? Okay, let me know is AWS or AWC. I couldn't find AWS in my chart. Okay, TAS. Let me see. EP 560 today closing 570. Okay, S1 S2. Thus, I think they are not that strong. Okay, even with the oil sentiment, they macam not really moved that much. Okay, probably they already went up so much already lah. So at the moment, take note on the support 550 and take note on the resistance. Okay, 650 lah. So high volume pump out. Tapi recently not much volume. I also not sure what they want to do. Okay, this one crossover. Okay, for task, okay, take note on 550. Stay above 550, maybe it's still all right. Okay, because recently they do have some support at here lah, even though they don't have much volumes. Okay, so take note on 550. If this level unable to hold, they may go to 510 level. Okay, which is also at the 100 MAs. Okay, so bottom one I can delete already lah. Okay, and turn on the resistance 650, 685. Okay, so I think they might go sideways dulu lah for the time being. Okay, KLCL breakout due to Raya team. Okay, I think if they want to break out, I think is last week breakout lah. Tapi this week not really jalan that much. I think they just hit the resistance lah. Okay, review EMCC and Cosmo for EP. Review Econ Berhad EP. Okay. Let me see. EMCC. Okay. EP. Usually these kind counters if they go up too much, I very not so give recommendation. Okay. So because I afraid this at their high level already. Okay, but for EMCC, so far the momentum I think is still alright. Okay, momentum is still alright. Okay, recently they hit resistance 555 and retraced down. Okay, for the immediate support. Okay, immediate lah. 515. Okay, 515. If you want to wait for the stronger retracement is somewhere around 50 cents level. Okay, for me, no hurry lah. Probably can wait until next week lah. Okay, because tomorrow last day already and Friday I think is low liquidity. So it's better for us to get at the better level. So somewhere in between, I would say 50 cents or 485 would be a more attractive level. Okay, so for the immediate is a 515 lah. Okay, so S1, S2, S3. Okay, how about the Cosmos? Okay, Cosmos, I think is still okay. Let me see. Okay, at least they are going sideways now. So for the support, maybe I will put 50 cents. So if you are interested, 50 cents with your cut loss if they go below 480. Okay, if below 480, I think not so nice lah. Okay, how about the Econ Berhad? Econ Berhad is still in the uptrending. Okay, EP390, current price is 490. So take note on the support. Okay, 470. Okay, here. Okay, if they close below 470, they may go back down to your entry price because here is a gap. Okay, so 390 is one of the gap support. If they can stay above 470, I think they are still safe. Okay, still all right. Okay, how about the Franken? Okay, Franken so far so good lah. Okay, they broke above 380 so far, retest and still get to supported. Okay, even though today push out lah, but I think the volumes are macam not so attractive today push out. Okay, for Franken, I think still all right. Okay, still all right so long the price is above 380, 375. Okay, so long they are above this zone, I think they are still good. Okay, hello, Jordan. Okay, I forgot your HSI. Later we review. Okay, so how about the Leon Play FB? Okay, Leon FB is still in a sideway. Oh, this counter is quite in liquid lah. Oh, volume wise, last Thursday, Friday got volumes, tapi they not really do any breakout. So we can see Leong FB since 2022 until now, they are just trading within the range, like 50 cents to 585. So pending for a legit breakout. Okay, they tested so many times, 3 times already, still unable to go through. So we see this time now whether they can break above 585.60 cents. Okay, this time previously last year January they attempt to break out but unable to go through 60 cents. Okay, so I would say 565, never mind already. Okay, most importantly, they can go through 585 and 60 cents. Okay, once they can clear, maybe they do have potential to have more upside. Otherwise, they may continue sideways saja lah. Okay, how about the MSM? MSM. Okay, MSM, last Wednesday, they do have a good spike up, and Thursday, Friday is more on profit taking. Today, neutral. So I guess they might come back to revisit the 20 MA levels, so which is somewhere around 311. So long above 3 ringgit, I think the trend is still strong. How about the pharma? Pharma not really boleh pakai ya. Okay, previous week they are still above 20 MA, tapi last Friday already break down lah. So I think not so much strength. Okay. So I think they might come back to retest 340. Okay, stay above 340 is still okay. Close below then not okay lah. Okay, how about the my EG? Okay, my EG is still nothing. Okay, kind of boring. Okay, since last year until now, they are still trading within the range. Okay, they are still not really moved that much. So so long above 770, they are still okay. Just that boring lah. Okay, MSC. Okay, got two people asking. One is looking for TP, another one to review only lah. Okay, MSC last Friday they do have a little bit struggle. The closing not so nice on last Friday. Okay, today at least a bull may come back. Okay, last week is more on indecisive, but today at least they show the bullishness. Okay, so take note again. Okay, 250. Okay, why I put here? 250 should be okay, 250 was a support back in 2021. So they break down, so turn into resistance. Okay, 250, 260, then only 290. Okay, it's your R1, R2, R3. Okay, so far I can see, yeah, they do have high volume since Thursday, Friday, and Monday. Okay, also got high volumes. So maybe we take note on 233. So long the price is above 233, I think it's still good. Okay, so yeah, hopefully tomorrow the closing still can be a bullish candle or at least okay above 240. That should be okay. Okay, because Friday a bit struggle. Okay, today at least they have a bull candle. Hopefully tomorrow no seller come in to attack lah. Okay, stay above 240. I think it's still all right. Okay, trend wise they are still uptrending lah. Just that 250 is one of the resistance to take note. Okay, so for the TP level, you can refer to resistance 250, 260, and then ultimately 2903 ringgit. Okay, iconic. Okay, iconic, nothing much lah. Bounce up. Okay, review only. For me, the only attraction is recently they have higher volumes. Okay, but the price action yet to happen. Okay, yet to show anything. Okay, what I think is maybe due to oversold or been bottom too long already. Maybe they will attract some bounce up. Okay, if bounce up, I think only 115 or 125 level lah at the moment. Okay. Okay, P metal and Gadang. Okay, P metal, they have a good movement on last Thursday and Friday. Okay, they broke above 5 ringgit, which is a level that they have been struggle. Okay, since 2022. Sideways so long already. Finally, a stronger price action break above 5 ringgit. So at the moment, they are at the resistance of last year January. Okay, here 525. Oh, so even though Friday they break up, today got a little bit profit taking lah. So most importantly, okay, when they retest 5 ringgit and they can they can stay above 5 ringgit, then should be okay for P metal. Okay, otherwise they may continue the sideway lah. Okay, if they can continue goes up, take note on 545, 575. Okay, so far we can see Thursday, Friday they spike out with high volumes. Today, small profit taking. Okay, the volume seller is low. So for me, it's still okay. Chances is still there. Okay, big buyer is still there lah. Hopefully tomorrow still there lah. Okay, for Gadang, okay, a bit potong steam because they on Friday, right? They broke below 420 with high volumes. So for this, okay, we can trade them that as retracement lah. Okay, been out for so long already, right? So take note on the 40 cents level. Yeah, supposing this should be here lah, 410 lah. Okay, because this was a resistance. Okay, turn support 410. But I think also got chance to break down here. Here got getting lower a bit. Okay, a little bit divergence. Okay, a little bit. Okay, but based on the previous trend, we can see they do supported by the 50 MA lah. Okay, what I think is they might wash down further lah. Okay, to maybe 395. Okay, what I think lah, what I think. If this level unable to hold, they might wash down to 395. Okay, if 395 able to hold, they still got chance to make a comeback. Okay, tapi if they break below 395, most likely not so good lah. Okay, for the short term, mid term. Okay, review HSI still got chance to go up. Okay, let me see. HSI is here. Okay, they weekly point of view, if you see the HSI chart, they have been within this zone since February. Okay, trading within 16.2 to 17K. Okay, since February until now. Okay, they are just going sideways. Okay, daily point of view, I think to go up till 17K, I think it's still there lah. Okay, today neutral a bit. Maybe the sentiment dragged by the China market as well. Okay, so for them, so far they yet to have any solid breakout 17K. Okay, even they can go up, I think maximum lah 17.6K lah at the moment. So so long the price above 16.2K, I would say they are still favored to the bull. Okay, still bullish. Shang double bottom pending breakout. Yeah, just now covered already, right? Renew Co. Tapi Shang for Shang because what I think is they are still pressured by 200 MAs lah. Okay, even they break up, okay, best if you can wait for the retest. Okay, if they can retest and get supported well, I think would be safer. Okay, otherwise they may just pull up, then wash down again. Okay, this is a most likely happening scenario lah. Okay, and this counters has been downtrend for I don't know when. Downtrend for so many years. If you look at the bigger trend, they have been downtrend since 2015, about 10 years already. Okay, only got a small rally back in 2018. Okay, then in the big trend point of view, this counter is a long-term downtrending counters. So I didn't put too much hope on them lah. Okay, just see them as maybe a rebound. Okay, yet to consider reversal or what. Okay, the most we can do a rebound trade, something like that only. Okay, review Renew Co. It recently also got many small penny counters. They also macam got a little bit movement. Okay, Renew Co is still in the sideway. Okay, MACD cross out, slope out, still a good sign. Okay, pending for a break above 10 cent. Once they can break above 10 cent, maybe we can see the gap resistance 130, 155. Okay, otherwise we may see another sideways. Okay, this one, the brother all also macam scam. I afraid this one susah jalan. Okay, revenue they are still in the sideway. Volumes February ada recently not much volumes. More on sideway. Okay, MACD okay, not too bad. Tapi no volume yet. Okay, so support 190 like that only. Okay, how about JAX? Okay, also not so good. JAX already broke below 170, 175. So far, I see the selling pressure is still there. Okay, so nothing to see until got a good price action. Okay, for the past tag, they are still okay, fight above, okay, because recently got a bounce out, okay, back in beginning of March lah. Then ever since then, the price is supported by 225. So take note on 225. Stay above, still got chance to go up. Okay, but if they go up, take note on 250 is a resistance to take note lah. So from here you can see they have been sideways. Okay, if they can break through, then we may see more upside, probably to 275, 280. But if they break below 225, sorry, not nice already. Okay, Naim bought at 820. Naim. Oh, very good entry. 820 is somewhere around here. Right? If not mistaken, we do review on Naim back then, somewhere around here. Okay, so far so good. Okay, even Friday they also have a good volume or break above 910. Today closing 930. Okay, take note on the previous resistance. Okay, this is a resistance back in September 2023. Okay, so I need to put here and here. Okay, so take note on these two resistance. Sorry, here, here. Okay, which is 935, 960. Okay, this is a resistance to take note because they have been have a strong rejection back in July 23 and September 23. Okay, so take note, this is a strong resistance you need to take note. If they are able to go through, then you can see here already lah. It's a gap. Okay, gap back in 2020, 102, 106. Okay, so if your sizing is big, okay, you can consider to take some partial around here, another partial at 102 to 106. Okay. Dayang PMB tag P metal covered already. We can skip. So we go for the Dayang. Dayang is still in the uptrending mode. Okay, they already broke above previous gap up level. Here, right? For 243. Okay, they broke above here. Sorry, let me put 24. Yeah, 242. Okay, they broke above here. And today closing price is 243. Okay, let me see. Trend point of view, they are still bullish. At least they are still above 20 MA. Okay, so maybe I put here 237. Okay, so long the price is above 237, I think the short-term momentum is still okay. But I expect they may come back down to test a support lah. Okay, because they these 2 days the price session a bit weak. Okay, I think some profit taking activities lah. So I expect they may come back down to test 20 MA levels. Okay, P metal cover PMB tech. PMB tech. Okay, last Thursday got volumes. Potential bottoming ma. I think yes. Okay, at least the MACD looks not too bad. Okay, resistance to 10 note 356. Oh no lah. 356 too far already, right? 200 MA is here. 313. Okay, 313 is the resistant to 10 note. Okay, because they have been resisted since last year. Okay, this year January also tested lah. Okay, volume point of view, February got volume tapi not successful. Okay, Thursday got volumes. Friday also okay. Today neutral. So I think yeah, for the chances of rebounding is there. 270. Okay, means so long the closing price above 270, maybe got chance to bounce up. Okay, to test a 200 MAs. Of course, they also need to respect here. 293. Okay, once they can clear 293, you can see 313 lah. So this is most likely for the potential rebound trade. Okay, tapi if they go below 270, they might just go sideways lah. Okay, Emulus EP365. 365. Yeah, almost hit my target 40 cents and 455. But yeah, but they retrace already lah. Okay, so your entry is 365. I think it's still fine. Okay, so for this case, since you EP here, you take note on 345. Okay, so long the price above 345, I think should be okay. Okay, but W now is more on some profit taking activities. So I guess they might just like here sell down. So here they also went up so much already, right? I think they might come back down here. Okay, so take note about around 345, 340 level. Okay, how about the QES? Okay, QES hit resistance. You can see they already hit the resistance back in July. Okay, June, July resistance 625. Okay, they already tested 2 days already, 2 to 3 days already, unable to go through. Now I expect may have some retracement, something like that lah. Okay, most importantly, or for now, the price stay above 575. I think is still okay. Okay, and if they happen to come back to retest 625, they have to clear lah. Okay, if they are unable to go through again, they may have a deeper correction. Okay, so if they are able to clear 625, 650 is your next resistance. Okay, momentum wise, I think it's still acceptable lah. Hopefully they can above 575 lah. If unable to hold, they might go to 545 low. Okay, RGB. Ini I think hit my target already. Yeah. Okay, my target was 330 and 350, and they hit both my target. So their next resistance is a 365 for RGB. Okay, trading stop. Okay, if you want the trading stop, since your EP is low, I don't want to put your trading stop at 330 lah. Okay, otherwise you will lose a lot of profit, right? So probably I put here 345. Okay, so long the closing price is above 345, I think it's still okay. So you can take note on your next resistance 365 ultimately. Okay, if they can continue to spike up, 40 cents would be your ultimate target. Okay, depends on market sentiment as well lah. Okay, HelpTech. I think it's okay, HelpTech so far still alright. Okay, last Thursday high volume pump up, Friday and today low volume, so I think it's still okay. So maybe we put a level 40 cents, means so long above 40 cents, still okay. Looking EP for PPHB, I think cannot yet lah. Okay, at the resistance, so you better wait for the price to retrace to somewhere 790. Emirate. Okay, this is a REITs, right? So usually the REITs movement is slow. Okay, for this one, 2022 until 2023, actually they don't have much movement until the 2023 April onwards. They only have a uptrend. Okay, so far they are still in the uptrending mode. Okay, at the moment, current price I think is still okay. So two level, okay, based on the previous trend, you can consider at 20 MA and 50 MA. Okay, 137, 133. Okay, if lucky, okay, suddenly they have a stronger sell down, 131 lah. So you can use moving averages to do a reference. 20, 50, 100 MAs, I think is still good lah, good level. Oh, HD Badu. HD Badu, okay, recently reclaimed back above the 20 MA. So take note on your support, 235. Okay, so long they are above 235, I think it's still all right. And take note on the resistance, 3 ringgit. Okay, 3 ringgit is your resistance. Okay, so far this one, at least they are in the uptrending mode. So yeah, recover back above the 20 MA already. So I think it's still okay. So I will put 220, 235 as their support zone. Okay, EDEL. This one is still neutral, okay, still in the sideways mode. I would say I prefer to wait for them to test the support somewhere around 335, 325 lah. Okay, at the moment, I think they already struggle at here for a couple of weeks. Still don't have much movement. So rather wait for them at maybe 335, 340 level. Okay, so R Orgabio. This one I think hit support rate hit support lah. Hit target already. So for me, I think previous week we do discuss before, and yeah, they do come back to the ideal level, which is somewhere around 295.30 lah. So now already up near 10% for me is susah to make a new entry lah. Okay. If you still interested, you take note on 315 lah. You see any support over there or not? Okay, so best TPR resistant for HelpTech. Best resistant best resistant best resistant is far. Okay, one of the resistant 465. Okay, I'm not sure whether they can achieve this level or not. 465 is a September and November resistant. And the next one is a 2022 resistant 520. Okay. No best lah. Just a resistant for you. Okay, the next EP360. Okay, let me see. The next, I think they also benefited from the oil sentiment. Okay, 360 still okay, your entry. Okay, still okay. Okay, at the moment they are at the 100 MA's resistance, which is a 380. Tapi most importantly, I would say is a 390 resistance. Okay, because this was a support term resistance. 390, 415 would be your R1, R2. Okay, so the rebound is still ongoing lah. I think it's still okay. Tapi take note on the minor resistance, okay, which is a 100 MAs here, 380. Okay. So far I think still okay lah. Hopefully they have the strength go to break above 390, then okay lah. PTRB. Sorry. PTRB. Breakup, not much volume. Okay, your EP is a 485. Still okay. They break above 525. Okay, take note on 515. Okay, so long the price above 515, I think the strength is still there. Okay, take note on your next resistance. Okay, a stronger one would be here lah. Okay, stronger one would be 550, 565. Okay, R1, R2. CEB. Not that good. Okay, tapi you already EP. Okay, not that good. Okay, the recently they had a gap down. Then even though the price tried to rebound, tapi not so successful lah. So I would say I'm neutral on it. I would say not so good. Okay, they may come back to retest. Oh, they may come back to retest 870 or 880 level. Okay. I still see nothing lah. Okay, because the volumes are not that attractive yet lah. Okay, next one is Arsawik. Arsawik. Okay, let me see. Arsawik. Profit taking today. Yeah, even though my target is somewhere around 30 cents, okay, strong resistance. Tapi based on today's price session, this is a shooting star lah. Okay, market open gap up, push up all the way to 285, closing 270. So means today most likely is a seller lah. So I guess they may come back down to retest the support, probably somewhere around 245, 250 level. Okay, take note on this. And how about the big trend point of view, they are still in uptrending lah. Okay, for Perdana also got some profit taking activities, especially you can see on Thursday they have a shooting star alike candle. Friday with a confirmation sell down. Today unable to go through above 330. Okay, looks like a seller at this zone, and I think they may come back down to test the support 30 cents level. Okay, RGB cover already. We go for the bar west. Okay, Bar West today got good volume pump up. Okay, so if we draw the resistance, 515. Okay, and another resistance, 545. So today they break resistance, 515. Resistance turn support. So thinner on 515 and 50 cents as your support zone. Stay above is still okay. And the next resistance is a 545. Okay, so yeah, Bar West, the trend is still okay, but they also, I guess, they also follow the gold sentiment. Okay, as long as the gold don't have a big sell down, maybe they are still safe lah. Okay, tapi if the gold got a strong sell down, then they may impacted. Okay, JF Tech. Okay, JF Tech, the rebound sudah fail. Okay, previously what we see is a potential double bottom breakout, tapi fail. Okay, so they also break below 890, 80 cents, also fail. So I think they may come back down to retest 835. So maybe they do have potential to create a triple bottom. Okay, so based on at the moment what I see is they are still very weak. Okay, so we see any support over, okay, any support at 835. Okay, SNS and Saipak. Okay, SNS so far still okay. Okay, these few days actually nothing much. Okay, the only thing is here is a sell zone. Okay, the yellow one. Okay, today more on some profit taking. Okay, and also yeah, understandable lah. The price already went up so much. They need to go sideways or do some profit taking activities first lah. So I guess the price may come back down to test a 345 level. Okay, let me see on the 15-minute charts. Yeah, also starting to get getting weaker already. And also on 3rd of April, the highest volume is here. So here become a resistance. Okay, so based on what I see is maybe the price may come back down to test support lah. Okay, 345 level. And how about the side part? Okay. Oh, wow, lucky thing this one. Okay, Saipak, they have a very good volume on 22nd of March, right? So market been sideways for many days lah. Okay, today attempt sell down. Okay, they attempt to sell down. They test a 855 by end of day, managed to push up closing 910. So for me, it's a good sign lah. At least somebody cannot tahan already. They sell. Okay, tapi the buyer is strong. They push the price all the way up. So this candle become a hammer. So for me, more on a good sign lah. Let me see on 50-minute charts. Okay, what we can see. 12 p.m. Somebody try to sell. Okay, 12:15 got a hammer form. 50-minute chart. Okay, so yeah, until 2:30 onwards. Second half got the strong buyer come back. So for me, at least is a good sign lah. Okay, so means they also stress test the support 855. Means so long they are above 855, they are still good. Okay, so this one 880 I can give out already lah. So at least the closing price is above 90 cents. Also is a good level lah. So I think overall these counters is still okay. Okay, is still okay. And Shang no EP just some covered already. So for me, I cannot find any EP. Either you wait for the breakout or you wait for the retracement. Okay, if retracement is somewhere around 220, if a breakout, I need more time lah. Okay, I need them to break out, retest, supported, only can look for the EP. Okay, otherwise here is a resistance, a bit awkward at this level. Okay, but still worth to monitor lah if you're interested. Okay, GLXT, new counters. Wow. Okay, day one, 635. Okay, sell all the way to 245. Means IPO first day, whoever bought on the first day, everyone lose money lah. Okay, so what we can see on recent performance, 3rd of April, high volume pump out. So they break above 215, they break above 230. Okay, so far already 3 trading days already lah. Still not really have any movement. okay, what we can see is they do have a strong resistance at 245. 50-minute charts point of view, we can see, yeah, they have multiple attempts to push up. Okay, even here also Monday, today they try to push up. Tapi by end of day kena press down lah. So I guess these counters, they may continue sideways. And macam when they want to push out, a lot seller try to sell them. So I think they need some times. Okay, so maybe take note on the support 230. Okay, if the price able to stay above 230, they do have chance to go up lah. Tapi if they break below 230, they may take some time lah. Not so easy already lah. Okay, Pentec. Okay, Pentec is still okay, especially these few days. Wednesday, Friday, Thursday, Friday, and Monday, they also have volumes. Okay, break above on 985. Maybe I put down here. Okay, so they do have a volume break above 980. Today closing price 1 ringgit. Okay, all time high. Let me check. Oh, memang all time high already since 2007 until now. Okay, so far so good. I would say, let me see on here. Next level 107. Let me see whether correct or not. I need to put here 108, 107. Okay lah, can lah. So means so long the price above so long the price above 980, I think it's still okay. They do have potential to challenge the next resistance by the Fibonacci, which is 107. Review VS Lihen Insas Ying Sen M and A. We go for the VS first. Okay, VS back in 29th of March, they do have a good breakout above 840, 860. Then they rally up all the way to 910. You can see 910 is a November resistance. Okay, seems like they are unable to go through lah. Okay, so based on this, I think they have a breakout, retest support. So next things is we see any support when they retest the support. Okay, which is somewhere around 860 is a 200 MAs. But if the closing price below 840, no game. Okay, boleh skip lah if below 840. Li Hen. Li Hen Hen. Okay, Li Hen breakout 1 ringgit. Okay, they do have room. I mean, they do have a resistance to reference 110 and 105. Okay, this is a gap down back in 2021 February. So I think yeah, enough lah. We just refer to here. Okay, means so long the price above 1 ringgit, I think they are still good. Okay, next resistance. Okay, they need to break through 105, then 110 lah is the next resistance. Insas. Inta calendar. Later we see. Insas, I think sideways lah. Okay, for them to make a comeback, they need to go above 114. Okay, otherwise I would say because here was a support, right? Then they break down. So now also tested. So I guess for the time being, they might just go sideways until a breakout. Okay. So yeah, maybe they also need to wait Inari lah. If Inari tak jalan, maybe they also diam like that. Yeah, actually Inari is still okay. Just that not much movement lah. So I guess Insas will continue sideways lah. Okay, at least it's a good way, still okay because the price is still above 200 MAs. So just that they went up too much already, they need to go sideways. Okay, wash out those impatient holders or small players wash them down out first lah. Okay, Yingsen so far 235 is very strong support for them since 2022. Okay, even recently you can see the retest 235 is still supported. Okay, even though I see not so strong lah. Okay, tapi at least they still try to support it. Okay, if they are able to bounce out, take note on the resistance 244 and 250. I feel not so strong lah, tapi at least they still respect this level lah. Okay, M&A so far 345 is still supported, so I think it's still okay. MACD crossover, they are still above 200 MAs. Yeah, so long above 345, no problem. Okay. How about the Intabina? Can enter. Okay, I cannot say can enter or not lah. I can say above 330, the structure is still okay. Okay, tapi if go below, maybe we say here lah 325 lah. Okay, and 330. Okay, below 325, not so good. Above 330, 325, I think it's still okay. Okay, Scomnet can bottom cash cash Okay, they already bounce up lah. So volumes okay. Above 125, they are still good. Okay, above 125, they are still good. Currently at one of the minor support 128. So if you want to try, cut loss is around 124, 123 like that lah. Is your cut loss. If you think okay with the losses, okay, you can accept the risk, then you can see lah. Okay, QES TP TP already lah. Okay, 625 is the TP already. Okay, tapi if you want to fight on, okay, you need to make sure the price above 575, then okay. 625, 650, 70 cents. R1, R2, R3. Depends on your grid. Okay. Okay. Tenaga. Very king. I think it's a weather too hot already. So everyone use aircon. aircon. Okay, they already at the resistance 1170, 1180. Okay, current price is the target. Okay, if you want to do a trailing stop, probably you can take note on 1150. So long the price above 1150, you can aim 12 ringgit or 12.15 also can lah. Okay, do trading stop lah. At the moment, they are still strong. I yet to see any weakening on Tenaga yet lah. Kerjaya not so strong. Break 2050 MA already. I expect they might come back down to test support 163. OCK My News Notion from Lim. Sorry. OCK first. OCK so far so good. Okay, just that movement a bit boring. Okay, no problem. Take note on 590. Okay, stay above is still okay lah. Okay, but MACD looks a bit divergence already lah. If you want to start to do some profit taking, I think okay lah. Take some partial also okay because they are already at the 2019, 2018 resistance already. Okay, no harm to take some partial. Then when market comes down, then you re-enter also can, unless you plan to hold for super long term or midterm onwards. Then I think it's still all right. Okay, so for me, 590 is a support must hold lah. Stay above. I think short term is still pretty good. Okay, my news I think diam nothing much. Okay, several attempts on the 575 still unable to go through. Tapi they still above 50 cents. I think still okay. Just that you can see they just go sideways saja. Okay, still okay lah. Just be boring sideways like that. Notion not that strong already in my opinion, as they already broke 20 MA. So we can see here is an uptrend, right? Okay, here started to go down already. You can see the high is getting lower. Okay, so for me, not that strong. So their next support is a 430. Okay, take note this level. If they can hold, okay. Tapi if they break down, the overall structure a bit koyak already, not so nice. How about Pekat? Okay, Pekat so far so good. Okay, they already approaching one of my target, which is 505 lah. Okay, so far so good. Take note on 480. Above 480, I think they are still okay. How about the Yuli crop? Yuli crop, still okay. Okay, take note on 143. Okay, above 143, I think it's still okay. Above 143, I think it's still okay. Okay, Sedai. Okay, this one Sendai. Okay, Sendai this one macam okay You can see back in 13th of March, they do have a high volume spike up, but on the next day, it's more on the profit taking lah. Okay, 14th of March, Okay, it's like a high volume sell down. Then market wash down for so many days already lah, huh? Few weeks already. So finally, after pullback, okay, wash everyone out already. Today finally have a high volume breakout above 30 cents. So for me, ideal level definitely is a 30 cents level. And cut loss, if the price go below 270, so your risk is about 10% plus lah. Okay, if happen they can do another spike out, take note on the next resistance 440. Okay, this is I think I consider my watch list also lah. Okay, so hopefully they can stay above 270. KP, hold on, KPPROP, K-pop, not K-pop Oh, memang they dance like K-pop Okay, this one I think they move out too much already. If just look for EP, I think it's too late. Okay, so if we see here the resistance already at 905, not worth to take the risk. Okay, 880, 905, not much. And yeah, supposedly the ideal entry is when they do a breakout. Okay, because here is a resistance. Okay, when they break out above 80 cents, 810, is a time to take note already. Okay, tapi now already move halfway and approaching the next resistance. So what we can do is wait for them to hit and retrace, only consider. Okay, that would be a safer way lah. Okay, EUPE. Let me see what is that. Ini also up so much already. Let me see the previous historical. You see here, definitely not really can already. Mount Everest back in 2007. Memang near already. So what happened back in 2007? They also rally up all the way to somewhere around 136, then they wash down. Okay, sorry. So I'm back to a monthly chart. I see the bigger pictures. Yeah, so at the moment, even though technical point of view, they are still bullish, but we still need to respect what happened back then. Okay, so they also approaching the resistance. Okay, if we jump in, we are taking a lot of risk of stay at their penthouse. So this one I would skip until they have a next correction. Then we only consider Okay, HD Padu, I think that's one we covered already, but let me see. Yeah, if you're interested, take note on 235. So long the price above 220, I think it's still all right. Okay, Adaran is still in a sideway. Nothing much. Okay, so if can okay. Okay, Friday got volumes. Yeah, if you don't mind current price or 120 like that, you can see lah. Okay. With your cut loss below 108. Okay, below 108, memang no good already. If you got patient to wait, yeah, of course, here is a better place. 108, 115. Okay, finally, Unicrop I think cover already, right? So let me check again. Yep. Okay, so 14317. Sorry, 143,147 can consider to KIV. Edaran just covered, right? So yeah, most likely in the sideway. Tapi mm, is if speaking about the chances I think still there. Okay, especially Friday got volumes come in so quite attract me. Okay, so yeah, still can watch out lah. Okay, so long the big pictures so long they're above 108, I think still okay. Shang we cover already. Wow, so many people interested with Shang. Why? Today almost I think 4 to 5% asking for Shang already. Oriental. Let me find. Okay, ENO. Eastern and Oriental. Yeah, I guess it's this one. Okay, this is the only stock I can find here. Okay, for Malaysia. Okay, Oriental, I guess a bit profit taking already. So take note on 965 and 1 ringgit. Okay, would be a strong support here. 1 ringgit, 965, 930. Okay, S1, S2, S3. But if they go below 930, most likely not nice. Okay, Orgabio covered already. Okay, Can 1. If looking for EP, I think a bit too late lah, for Agapia because last week already give hints already. Okay, can one? Yeah, for me, I don't like on the liquidity. Okay, the chart looks like quite illiquid. Okay, W lucky thing. Friday and today got volumes. Wait for them to retest support lah. Okay, so long they're above 268, I think it's still okay. W, oh yeah, you're looking for R1, R2, then it will be okay. I assume you at EP already lah. Okay, so take note on the next R, 294, 3 ringgit. Okay, this is a resistance back in 2023, March, April, May, June. Okay, it's your resistance. 294, 3 ringgit, and only 320 lah. Okay. So yeah, for the momentum point of view, I think it's okay. Tapi for the liquidity, I personally not so like. Okay. EP for sign. Okay, hold on. Let me see the US market. How is it? Still neutral lah. Okay, so for sign, the rebound macam sudah habis ah. Okay, 1st of April, they do have a good volume pump up. Second day, take profit already lah. So these few days is more on the profit taking activities. If you're still interested, which I think the success rate is lower now lah. Okay, if you're still interested, maybe we can take note on 925. Okay, for me, they break out 200 MA already fail. So resistance, turn support. So I would say 925 would be their next support lah. We see any support low when they retest. KYM. KYM. This one also in liquid. Okay, so at least last Thursday got volumes. Friday and Monday low volume. So the buyer, the momentum is still there. Okay, take note on 450. Stay above 450, I think it's still okay. And take note on the strong resistance, 50 cents and 540. Okay, TH Plantation. Okay, TH Plantation, I think the overall structure is still good. Okay, 3rd of April, 4th of April, still got volume supported. Okay, so long the price above 70 cents, I think overall structure is still okay for the TH Plantation. And resistant to take note, 780 and 815. Okay, 820 lah. Okay, 780, 820. Okay, R1, R2, and the Gamuda. Okay, Gamuda is still in the uptrending mood. Okay, nothing much to worry about. They are still in a good uptrending mood. Okay, so hopefully, okay, for the further bull, they need to stay above 520 to 512. So 520, 510 lah. Okay, so long they are above 512, so long they are above 510, 520, I think they are still good. Okay, how about AWC? Okay, AWC already went up for so many days and they are still pretty bullish, especially today open gap out and close high. So I assume you already EP lah, So if you're already in, take note on the resistance back in 2017, 910, 960. I'm not sure whether they can go to one ringgit or not, but at least it's a R1, R2, R3 for your reference. Okay, and yeah, tapi if tomorrow they straight close below 825, then memang no good lah. Cloud PT. Okay, let me see. Still got how many questions? Wow. Okay, cannot add question already. Otherwise, I cannot finish. Okay, so let me clear. Okay, Cloud PT. Okay, Cloud PT EP660. Not so strong. Even though last Thursday they have a high volume attempt to break up, tapi macam not so successful. So I assume they might go sideways for the time being. Okay, maybe they will come back down to 605 level or here 625 level. Okay, so let me delete those line at the bottom. Okay, they already wash out quite much. So okay, at the moment it take note on 625 first lah. Oh, if break memang not so good already And Cosmos. Cosmos is still okay. Okay. So long above 480, I think okay. And your resistance 535, 550. Okay, this one is your immediate one. Okay, so for me, Cosmos still got hope. Okay, but Cloud Point, I think they may face some correction first lah. For EA Tech, 390, 385, okay, is your immediate support. Emulus does not cover already, so a quick one, a quick one. Emulus, I guess they may come back down to retest a 345 level. Okay, Uchitech. Oh, today we'll overrun. Sorry. I talked too slow already. Okay, sorry. Emulus cover already. We go for the girlfriend Malaysia. Okay, GFM. Okay, GFM is still okay lah, quite bullish. So take note on the support 365. So long they are above 365, short-term momentum is still pretty strong. Okay. So their next resistance also is the 2021 resistance is at 450. B-Trans and Karimin. B-Trans not so good lah. Break below 200 MAs already. Oh, you still want lah. For me, B-Trans, if can we stay away first. We stay away first. Okay, here you can see the high is getting lower, right? So previous low is here. So I guess they will go here or lower. Okay, so maybe we see here lah, 735. For me, the overall momentum is getting weaker. So it's better we stay away dulu. Karimin, I'm hungry already. Okay, so we can see 3, 4, 5 got volume pump up. Okay, tapi Friday is more on profit taking lah. Today also some small profit taking. So wait for them to retest, retest support 835. Okay, we see any support lah when they come back to retest. In my opinion, Karimin looks slight better than P-Trans, tapi both also a bit struggle lah. Okay, TH Plantation covered already. Okay, finally I can skip one. Okay, and LHI. Okay, LHI is still in the sideways mode. Okay, pending for the break above 60 cents, which I think, okay, the chances of breaking out is there. Okay, so wait for the price to close above 60 cents, then okay. TP for Shang. So many Shangri-La. Okay, need to trade me to stay there already. Okay, take note on the immediate resistance 225, 230. Okay, if they can clear 248. Okay, this is Shang. Help Tech just now covered already. Okay, TP for FPI. FPI Formosa. And macam more on profit taking activities already. So then on the 50 MA level, maybe I give them some buffer lah, 282 lah. If the closing price is below 282, I think it's better take some profit lah. Okay, because looks like not so strong. Tapi yeah, because especially today they have a more higher selling pressure here. So maybe we can take note on the 50 MA lah. Okay, let me see. Zhenge. Okay, Zhenge at resistance now. So they already bounced from the bottom to hit the 200 MAs already, 340. So for me, this is one of the TP level. Okay, unless they can break through 340, you only can see 360. Okay, so depends on you lah. Okay, for me today, lucky thing the seller is still small, so the chances of breaking out above 340 is still there. Okay, but for me here is my TP1, here is my TP2. Okay, comment on MRCB, AGX, MTech, TMB. Okay, TMB we covered already. So we go for the MRCB. Okay, MRCB is still all right, even though the volume okay only. Okay, they are at the resistance 680. Okay, take note on these resistance now. Huh? If they can go through, only can see until here, which is back in 2019. If they can go up, 725. Okay, so if they can go through 680, 725 would be our next resistance. Okay, AGX. Still weak. They are still selling. So I guess it's better to wait for them to go sideways and stabilize first. Only consider to plan anything. Okay, otherwise the bounce is just a temporarily lah, in my opinion. Okay, MTech. Okay, MTech been go up so much already. So at the moment, they may come back down to retest a 20 MA 975. Okay, and most importantly, cannot go below 90 cents. Okay, below 90 cents, memang not nice lah. Okay, TNB cover already, so we can go for the KSL. Still got strength. Strength. Today a bit struggle. Okay, for me, Thursday, Friday, they have a good volume pump out. Today a bit neutral in my opinion. Tapi strength point of view, I think yes, I would say yeah, they are still okay. Okay, if we zoom out, we can see they already broke above 170, which is a 2015 resistance. Okay, so they could have the potential to challenge to Ringgit or 220. Okay, which is a 2014 resistance. Okay, come back to today's date. Let me see. Okay, so long the closing price above 170, I think it's still all right. Okay, hopefully lah, hopefully got strength lah. So can belanja makan Sus buddy. Okay, Sus buddy 160, 170. Okay, bottoming potential, yes. Okay, volume for okay 3, 4, 5, 6 other volume. So I think okay. Okay, Sus buddy pending for the break above 180. Okay, once they can clear above once they can clear above can lah. Once they can clear above 180, maybe got chance to challenge 20 cents or here 220. Okay. Based on the volume momentum, I think okay. Tapi they also need to check out on 190 lah. Okay, need to check out on 190 because previously the attempt failed already. Okay, this time we don't know can or not lah. But overall potential, I think yes. Alpha. New counters, high volumes. 2nd of April and 4th of April. So, think on here, 320. Above 320, I think it's still okay. Below 320, no good. Rolling. Got these counters. Tada. I couldn't find. Not this, right? Prolintas. Okay, let me know which counters are. Prolin, I couldn't find this. Okay, my Penang. Okay, this is a CRES, CRES and DO. Still go up. So strong, super strong. All-time high already. Okay, 202. Okay, this one so far so good. Okay, still haven't seen any weakening. Okay, even though last week they do struggle a bit, tapi on Friday they open gap up. Today another push up. So for us, what we can do is do a trading stop lah. Okay, use today's low as the trading stop. So long they are above 326. Okay, overall they are still in a good shape. Okay, based on the FIBO projection, the next resistance is can meh 363. Okay, if we pull out further, the target is a 347. Okay lah, at least we can get two resistance. Okay, 347, 363. Coraza, I think they hit 200 MAs already. then I think most likely they may come back down to retest 50 cents level. Okay, they're unable to go through 200 MAs, and I guess they may retest support first lah before going up. Okay, so I guess they will go back to 20 cents level. GB, GBGA, QRS. Okay, gabungan still neutral, still in the sideways mode. Okay, we still see nothing yet. Okay, okay lah, still okay lah. Okay, just the movement very slow. Okay, tapi they are still okay. Okay, most importantly, above 325, they are still good. GDB. GDB, let me see. Okay, GDB at resistance. Okay, if you just want to go in, I would say a bit risky. Okay, because they already at the last year January resistance. Okay, tapi if we based on recent performance, I think the momentum is still fine. Okay, momentum is still fine. So either you wait for the breakout, retest support, only EP, or you see when they have some retracement down to 250, 260, then you can see lah. Okay, hibiscus. Wow, today come back to retest the support lah. Lucky thing supported lah. 266, 268 is still supported. I think it's still okay. So long the closing price above 266, I think it's still okay. Wow, let me see. Sunway. Okay, Sunway is still alright. Okay, just that recently a bit struggle. Maybe they need to have some rest lah. Okay, so they might just trading within 333 to 355. Okay, just go sideways dulu. Okay, so long they're above 330, I think overall they are still okay lah. Okay, for this Sunway, Dayang cover already, so we need to skip for the AME. Let me see what is that. AME. I think it's still alright. Discounters, at least, yeah, back in March, they still have a pretty decent volumes. Okay, trend point of view, still in the uptrending. So take note on your immediate support, 173. Okay, as long as they stay above 166, I think the overall structure is still alright for the AME. KSL cover already, and we go for the airport. Okay, today overrun a bit longer, but never mind lah. Wednesday no market ma. Okay, also no live session. Okay, for airport they do have a shooting star already. We can see a shooting star now. So I expect may have some retracement soon. Okay, so if they retrace down to 960, I think it's still okay. But if they break below 960, they may go to 930, 940. Okay, today is a candle looks like a shooting star like candle lah. So antenna, or you can say pin bar or antenna. So I expect may have some retracement. Okay, or some sell down lah. Minor profit taking lah. Okay, how about the UEMS? So far so good. Okay, above 110, still okay. Okay, previously they already went up here, break the resistance, right? So now they come back to retest the support 110, stay above, still okay. Let me see, still got how many? Opstar, SCIB, OFI, OFI. Okay, Oriental cover already, Opstar. Opstar, nothing lah. Ini, you can see back in mid March, they do have a bounce up, tapi not able to come back strongly and kena rejected down. So in my opinion, there are still no chance yet. Okay, the probability of going up is still low. Okay, even can go up, also not really lasting lah. SCIB, you still want one man. Okay, what I think lah, okay, because in January, okay, they just had a very strong sell down. There are a lot victims over there, so very hard for them to make a strong comeback. Even yes, only 1 or 2 day show. So if you still want to go in, you are like, yeah, maybe opportunity cost lah. Okay, your money may stuck over there. Okay, so I would say if you want to go in any price with a cut loss below 30 cents, okay, tapi I would say don't risk your money lah. Oh. OFI. Okay, OFI, as long as they are above 203, 2 ringgit, I think it's still okay. Okay, above 203, 2 ringgit, they are still okay. Okay, Unitrade. Let me find. Okay, got Okay, penny counters recently break above 290, break above 30 cents. Okay, at the moment, the structure is still good. Okay, I would say they are still good. Okay, 10 on the immediate resistance, 315. Okay, overall structure, yeah, I think there are still potential lah. Oh, still okay. So 10 on the immediate resistance, 315. If they can clear, 335. Okay, UEMS covered already. So we go for the last two lah, huh? MyTech. Okay, MyTech still nothing much. Okay, on 21st of March, they do have a high volume breakup. Ever since then, the market is more on sideways lah. Okay, so long they are above 150, I would say still got some chance. Okay, below 150, no game. Above 150, I think it's still okay. Okay, UEMS cover already. Last one is a MTech lah. Okay, MTech, I think is still okay lah. Recently got volumes. Okay, 26th of March, 27th of March are the volumes. Okay, until now also the average volumes is quite consistent. Okay, so meaning so long the price above 445, 440, I would say chances is still there. Below 440, no good. Okay, and resistant to take note, 470. Okay, 50 cents. Okay, so this is it lah. Okay, that's all lah. So if you yet to join my Telegram, okay, faster screenshot. Okay, because this Wednesday no live session due to Hari Raya lah. And also because tomorrow consider last day, last trading days, right? Wednesday, Thursday no market. Friday got market. Tapi Friday, I think most people not in the market lah. I would expect market low liquidity, easily to be manipulated. Okay, so the best is back to trading after Monday lah. Next Monday is better lah. So yeah, meanwhile you can screenshot and join my Telegram channel. So if got any updates, I will update in the Telegram channel. So if got any question, you can ask it in the comment box lah. Okay, so and also thank you Sifu for having me here. Okay, and also they do have a interactive live chat. Okay, so if you are interested, you can subscribe to their services. Okay, they do available at the iOS and the Google Play Store. And also thank you everyone for your time to tune in to our live session. Okay, so we see you on next Monday, 8:30. 8:30. Okay, hopefully we can finish by 9:30 lah. Otherwise a bit too long already, right? So see you guys on next Monday. Thank you everyone and see you next week. Thank you.